was gonna go easy on you and not to hurt your feeling, but this is BC Calculus. You're different, I can feel it. It's just I feel it in my guts. Like approaching a point, but I don't know where. If that means what I think it means, the test won't be trouble. No trouble. If you're as good as they say, you won't be taking any chances. You're just what the test calls for.
I'm beginning to feel like a Calc God, Calc God. All my people in the front of the class not. Now who thinks their brain's quick enough to curve plot? My graph like a robot, so call me CalcBot. But for me to drive a computer must be in my genes. I got an N-spire in my back pocket. My pen will go off like a math rocket, integrating like a mad prophet. FB minus FFA takes C off it.
Ever since Steve Hawking was still a novice, with that guy Al Einstein pushing on his wheelchair, E equals MC squared, not as explosive, as fiery as all hell differentials. Divertronics, solve them all with this quickity zippity yippity tip top humor. Sorry, Miss Math was clapped, chat pack and Mac, the back of red jack backpack trapped, yep yakety yak. And at the exact same time I attempt these miracle mathematics stunts on practice, that'll be able to solve another function table over some lunch, a coffee, and a couple of snacks and crack it in half.
Well, I realized it was like you, but I resigned to fact that after the fact. How could I not pass? All I do is drop f of x bombs. Check my graph of the track, trick functions, recur with time period. Here's mine, be thankful, yours is disastrously bad. For the sack while I'm masterfully destructing a master thesis as
I'm beginning to feel like a Calc God, Calc God. All my people in the front of the class not. Now who thinks their paper is awesome at math rocks? Let me show you integrating sin x ain't that hard.
Everybody wants a key in the secret to series supremacy like I have got. Well, the truthful, the root test ain't simple and it's ultimately useless. Everybody knows limit is the true test. Hit your paper like a madman, do nothing but scribble with blue pens. Pew! AB gets taken to school, trick substitution, uses vehicle, the butt's to line, but I'm still in school, just a student. T is a product of x and y functions with respect to time n. In order to derive them, it's hella easy, just one thing. Combine the two and plug it, chug it. Now you've got position to find dy dx, just conduct y over the other function. Rock and roll theorem, small game, even though I walk in the class and burst and ball of chains. Only theorem I'll be using is extreme value. I don't see how you have trouble finding that value. I won't forget the cow moo. Fill it tanking, tell me that the rate is sinking.
Beginning to feel like a Calc God, Calc God. All my people in the front of the class not. The way I'm driving this polar graph, call me Fermat. Created the unsolved the earth, that's math God. Knew before General Zod, this planet's crypt, I know Asgard.
So Calc's a bore and I've decoded what Mr. Lovelace quoted. This is a coachable moment, rotationally wound rhyme asymptoting, and I should not be broken. I'm the mother function, just a polynomial junction, a Tarkon gloating. Remember Friday night, I'm dark quoting. That's not a graph, it's a doodle. Looks like you tried to trace a noodle. Are you sober, man? Save yourself. Scratch that and try again. Pupil add C. My honesty's brutal and it's honestly futile. If you integrate without you, then you're no good. At least substitute once in a while. Just make sure somewhere in your chicken scratch you scribble and drew enough boxes to maybe try and help get you through these tough lines. But you gotta be ready to combine just in case you need that 5 parts grind. Friends are hungry looking at me like, dude, it's lunchtime. I know there was a time when once I was king and had math skills profound, but I still calculate like I'm in my Euler mind. So I know my primes, but sometimes when you combine parametrics with cosine, it gets too tough and you're done trying to solve it. Like there's enough time I spent on the number 2 calculator AP. On one, I took out my calculator like it's crunch time. Put them all in a line, start with N-spire, add square, ready, give me 89.
See if I can get away with writing nothing down. I'm not as smart as I was, but I'm surfing through with a chortle, coming on to polar. You're stuck on time differentials from 2004 though. I don't know what function this train's for. Pointless as a pencil after 50 bubbles. You write normal, say orthogonal. And I just bought a new CAS from the future just to come square root you, like when Williams made Dub mad. Cause Nick said she looked like a dude at Lovelace board drawing to the AB while they learned their rope rule. Man, oh man, that was a 24/7 special on the Calc Chat channel. So Dub went straight to the Facebook group the very next day. Hey Nick, you owe me bagels. Lyrics coming at you at V equals infinity speed.
Summa double you zoom while I'm zooming. What I gotta get it through to your head. Stupid lumen integrating and I'm in trouble so that any you said it's one solve itself for me and I don't know what to do. I'm separating more than ever, differentiating how to give a lecture audience a feeling like it's understating, never trading, and the grades are forever waiting for the data they can save while if they be radiating. Cause I know the way to get them accelerated. I make harmonious motion, you make discontinuous motion. Oh, he wears lame shoes. Well, that's what they do when they get behind maybe use it. It's not AB, it's BC. It's where the cool kids are cruising with jocks, testing with talk, showing proper integrals and watch them lose it. I don't know how to integrate like that. I don't know what formulas to use. Let me know one of the curves to you while I'm whipping out any of these limits that limit you. It's certain I'm inadvertently burning you. How many limits I gotta solve to? Proves that if right side equals left side, the continuous function converges too.
School junkie, never flunky, but look at the grades, these skill brung me. Full of myself, but still hungry. I bully myself cause it make me do my homework at night, dude. And few semesters ahead of you. Real when I write in pen, but it's still head and tail method. Vector addition sucks, so here comes my wheel. I'm asleep in the front row, nodding like I understood something. Still clunky. piecewise funky, but in my head there's something I can feel nagging and dragging. Homogeneous functions haven't been mentioned, I know they'll show up on the free response. Think not. Why be a king when you can be a god?